got it.
I like him, I like him, I like him. I like him now. You cannot get it in the ear, so they all in the ear, so they in a freezer over here now. They all.
Hello. Alright, so use the word professional in a sentence for me.
This is Generation for TVJ News.
If you want to know how to run fast, come to Jamaica.
And give me that now.
I am a professional Jamaican.
What's good, YouTube? It's a girl Kelly, and today I'm back again with the next YouTube video. If you hear one dog, just act like you don't hear him or her, because oh my gosh, can you stop being nice?
Okay.
But as you can see by the title and the thumbnail, today we're gonna react to Spoiled Brat. People are just really bad. We just gonna react to them. But before we end this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video to your friend. Them comment know you're watching. So we're just gonna get straight into this video.
Side eye.
Okay.
Alright, you're gonna be late.
I said get out of my room.
Brenna gets upset, you know, mom gets upset too.
Father God.
We already start off with one word, mother. Brenda get upset, I get upset. Like, if your words one monster, just prepare in the future for nightmare. Because I don't know better way you can't say this. You can't just act like you don't see she act. When Brenda get upset, I get upset. Okay, get upset with her. If you wanna get mad and tear down the place, who is stopping you?
I mean, you know, Melissa's upset.
That means go. Yes. Okay, y'all need to go. I'm done with this. I'm so done.
It's okay. It's okay. Let's just get her dressed.
No.
Come on.
When I get out, I'm giving them a piece of my mind.
Hey, chop.
Okay. Okay.
Can we just get ready so we can go rock it for the judges and then we'll do peace of mind and all that?
Get those stupid microphones off.
Oh my God. Wow.
I just want to get her to the stage. That's all I want to talk about right now. She's got it. She's got one more event. She's got to rock out. What, baby?
Get out of my room. No, she's out of my room too. She's just being like.
Oh, can I show this? Oh, can I show this? Get out of my room, Miss Henry. Get out of my room.
Brenna, I'm helping you. I want you to get dressed, baby.
No, I don't care about the pageant.
Brenna, come on. I've got to get your hair done. My job was to get her hair done and to get her to the stage. And I was like, I don't want to talk about anything but getting her to the stage. And that's it. That's all I want to do. Okay, now Taylor's gonna let him back in while I do the clips.
Get those cameras away from me.
What did I say?
Get those cameras away.
Oh, please. Oh, please. No, she gotta hear me. Oh, please. Get them cameras away from me. Ah, only done slap her on a tapping knife. If people them just a record, get those cameras away from me. Ah! Please don't piss me off right now. We'll go to the next one.
Are you beautiful?
Yes, I am beautiful. And you told me, you said I was beautiful, and I'm always beautiful.
Who said what about that?
You said, are you beautiful? And I said, and I was almost gonna say.
Hey, chop. Father God it.
Why she sound like somebody slap her or something?
If I was beautiful, and I'm always beautiful.
She easy to get emotional. She bally quick because she's spoiled.
She's thinking I'm not beautiful, and I am always beautiful.
Guys, this is a perfect example of a spoiled pitney. Pitney like this will create one scene for nothing at all. You am beautiful. Nobody not doing nothing. Oh my gosh! Me just want to put me on your screen and slap her foot them. Me cannot do this. Daddy! Like, girl.
She needs to prepare for the stage, y'all. She's getting ready to go on stage.
Chill out.
She's getting a little tired. She's getting a little frustrated. She's kind of got some little stimulation going on, and that's understandable. She needs time to breathe.
Hey, chop.
Jesus Christ.
Father God in her.
Me I tell you now,
have 1 minute? Okay, can we have 1 minute with her? There's something wrong with that. I mean, we can give you guys hours. Can we have 1 minute? Thank you. Back up. Back up. You too, please, back up.
Okay. We're gonna come like for a puppy show. Please, back up, back up. Oh my gosh, she's just a perfect example of a spoiled brat. Like. Alright guys, so we're going to the next one. Hopefully, make a hope and pray say it better. And the pin them not that bad.
Hold hands, please. Apparently, it's horrendous for Mum, so I needed to see this. No cupcakes. No cupcakes. No.
First of all, why you pin your lick after you? I understand say yes, sometimes they play but she literally goes so.
No cupcakes. No cupcakes.
She lick after you and you jaw and clap her. Don't do that. That's very rude. You do not lick after your parents. Okay. Make that big and proud and known. Do not lick after me. So when we go out in a public, then we lick after you. Then we'll box you and shame you in front of the crowd. Yes. See, if we train them, do not put their hand on you. Yes, they may a joke, but in this situation, they would not say a joke this.
Okay, nope. Max, no brownies. No, stop that. No. Don't, that will fall. No.
I say, would I make it fall? Would I make it Sorry, that sounds harsh, but would I make it fall? You know a big old container soda, them why you try to pull it when you don't feel like them gonna drop them on you? Them pitney here. You have to prepare yourself. Prepare yourself.
No, I told you no. It was a nightmare. Screaming, yelling. I was so embarrassed. No.
Please, I dare myself to run around in the store with wish pitney. Run around the store with wish pitney. If you want to run, go on. Run down the aisle. Me not run. Run down the aisle. Like, you poor woman run up on her to big head pitney them. I just have to give them one hard slap on their foot. Or different ways they can do it. But just that's the way me know right now. At this specific moment with them pitney here, stop it. Left it. Put it back.
Okay.
Yeah, we're in the supermarket and your kids are gone. They're gone. So what are you doing? I'm looking for them. Get over here now.
You got them from Claire.
Okay. And then Claire decided to stamp her feet and kick. I won. No, they sat in the freezer for over a year.
I like them. But now I like them.
You cannot like them now.
I like them now.
I'll just to the side, you have to know how to discipline pitney because they're saying are real. Well, not fit like Jamaican. When me know off, that is a situation here because wish Jamaican pitney. Show themselves.
Oh my gosh, I want ice cream.
When me done slap you, I gotta scream.
Hello. Look here, man.
I not like that fussy something about throw herself a ground. Kick foot. That's so, like don't. Your mother do not serious with them. Your mother not serious.
They sat in the freezer for over a year.
I like them. But now I like them.
You cannot like them now.
I like them now.
Hey, talk. Father God.
I like him now. You cannot get it. You're not ear to them all. You're not ear to them in a freezer over here now. You don't feel like you need to stop. Even if they were fresh or newly packed in the shelves, you wouldn't get it just because you have swing a little foot and tap a little arms. No, you cannot get it.
Every time we go to the market, she'll fixate on one thing and scream until I give it to her.
See your problem there. Until I give it to her. Because I give it to her. That's how she grows. So she gonna say, alright, me know me fi do forget this. And she gonna cry and scream and cry and bawl. She gonna create a whole scene. She knows say you're not a hard mom. You're very simple with her. So you need to put on your foot and put on your head, put on your body. And make sure you know say, I am mom.
Come on, pick something else.
I like them now.
Couldn't bother with that. Alright, so we'll go to the next part. Hopefully don't want to get rescued.
It's hard to take them to the store by myself because I can't control them.
I went down to them find pitney. Like, people just can't control themselves. Like, they just cannot be controlled.
Sit right here. She's sitting right there.
Get in your seat.
No, don't. Not my Care Bear book.
What book?
My Care Bear book.
Your Care Bear book you hadn't seen for a month. You want to carry? You want to carry your Care Bear book? What was that?
Yeah.
Just kicked him.
Father God in
Me say if you maga make that slide, like you pin literally just kick you with our little maga foot while our foot, but first of all, as our foot reach from me, I clap it. Do not do that. Why put your foot on me like then she a short after our father while him a talk. Him needs to put on him body too, not even just him foot, he needs to put on him body on the table and say, look here, I am dad. Listen when I talk. Sometimes I feel like if you make Penny no one type of face. Like put your face always and say stop it.
Okay.
I think it's absolutely crazy.
Don't get it.
I want it.
Well, you kick me, you don't get anything. I'd like to be the boss, and I don't feel like I am right now, or that I ever have been. If you don't kick me for a few days, maybe I'll give your Care Bear book back. Mom?
Hey,
Tantrum is
talk. Father God.
When the voice are raised, just stop it right there. So. Not even wait for them to do the action. Just stop it right there. So. Cause some people know them pitney still, they know so them pitney. I do start like imagine they know you have one bad pitney and just chilling. You just chilling like oh I saw him stay. So just fix it because if you are raised one monster, prepare in a future for nightmare. Of course, prepare yourself for nightmare. Cause how could you raise a monster and not prepare for a nightmare in the future?
I want my people to come back, Mommy! Mommy, come back!
Andra, stop!
The girl in her back and stop her on her hand. Amber, stop. Stop your knives! You don't feel like you need to stop your knives. And then you know the hottest thing? Are you the biggest one run her back and scream and cry and scream? Your two little brother and sister just little run her back and you just big and in and middle and kick and scream. Amber, stop. Go on, go slap Amber. Show Amber the face.
Okay.
Or something. You're just chilling at the door.
Can't wait to hear what you have to say.
I want you, Mom!
It was just
Exactly, because that's what my face I look like. Would I really like turn around and slap her on the foot and say stop it? Literally stop it, like stop it. What way I scream and I cry and I scream? Wait.
Ridiculous. This tantrum was going on forever. I don't know how Barbara drove.
And quite a big long foot just a swinging around her back and her two little siblings just quiet and she a bigger one. Oh my gosh, not no bun me saw yet.
I don't know how Barbara drove that car with Andra screaming the way she was.
That man said that would have frustrated me. But anyways guys, my phone keep on a full. Make sure you understand the situation. So I'll go react to one more and end the video.
I want candy! I want candy! I want candy! I want candy!
Hey, nobody gives a shit what you want. Shut your mouth. This is a restaurant. These people are trying to eat their lunch. Shut up.
Oh my gosh, that was so satisfying. But guys, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.
Right, so use the word professional in a sentence for me.
This is Generation 5 TV Genuine.